Hi, let's look at how we multiply fractions. To start, let's look at a problem. 3/4 times 1/2, or 1 over 2. Well, to multiply fractions, what I'm going to do is first multiply the numerators. 3 times 1, and that gives me 3. And then I'm going to multiply the denominators. 4 times 2, and that gives me 8. So, my final answer, 3/4 times 1/2 makes 3/8. But wait, you may say, 3/4 is bigger than 3/8. So how do we go from 3/4 to 3/8 and multiply and get a smaller number? Well, that's because when we do the problem, 1/2 is less than a whole number. And since it's less than a whole number, it's going to make the number that's being multiplied smaller. So for example, if you got 3/4 for every time you cleaned the dishes and you only did half the job, your parents aren't going to give you more quarters, they're going to give you fewer. So when we have 3/4 times 1/2 of whatever the job is, we will end up with 3/8. Let's practice. What about 1/2 or 1/5 times 2/3? Remember, the first step is going to be multiply 1 times 2, and that will give us 2. What's the next step that I do? Multiply 5 times 3, and we'll get 15. So 1/5 times 2/3 equals 2/15. Hopefully this will help you on your challenge and will help you get that red key. Good luck.